I'm the Baltimore Oriole. I build a sack-like nest. I'm black and orange, and I'm the bird that looks the best.
I'm the Northern Cardinal, and I am red. Don't look for me inside your bed. Instead, look for me in a tree, as bright and beautiful as can be.
I'm an American crow. I'm pitch black. Don't look for me by a bat. Instead, look by a hat or cat.
I'm the great horned owl. I have big eyes. Some people think that I'm quite wise.
My head is bald. My talons are sharp, and I love to catch and eat carp.
I'm a rough grouse. I like to drum. Don't even think about touching my bum. If you ever go into a house, you might find some bugs and maybe a mouse.
I'm an osprey. I like to fish. A 4-pound bass is my favorite dish.
I'm an eastern screech owl. I hunt at night. In day, I'm tucked tight away in my hole for a home.
I'm the red-winged blackbird. My name is the same. You might think I'm lame, but I have some fame.
I'm a pretty blue jay. Don't look for me in the hay. You may see me in May. I'm blue and I look cool.
I'm the red-tailed hawk. I fly so high. If you see me in the sky, you might hear my loud cry.
I wake up in the morning and say chickadee, but that's not the only thing I can see. I can see Phoebe in the leaves and the trees, maybe even the sky. You can even see me. I'm brown, black, and white. It keeps me out of sight.
American goldfinch. I'm not great yellow. Don't you think I'm a pretty cool foe?
I'm a great blue heron. I like my long beak. Don't you think my feathers are very, very chic?
I sound really sad, and everyone knows my nest is really bad.
I'm a Canada goose, and I'm a big dude. I eat plants for my food.